as a roadmap by aligning their practices with the standards domain. It guides them in setting clear goals from lesson planning to student assessment, while identifying strengths and areas for growth. By following PPST indicators, they can reflect, seek mentorship, and track progress. This structured framework ensures continuous development, professional accountability, and readiness to meet diverse learners' needs effectively. Okay, let's proceed to lesson 4. Professionalization of Philippines teacher.
Discuss why professionalization through licensing is important in teaching. Professionalism is important in teaching because with license, it can guarantee that teachers are competent, professional, and have an ethical values. It also shows that teaching is a respected profession. Professionalism helps transform teaching into a respected, trusted, and valued career. It also shows that teacher is not just a worker. We are experts in shaping the future.
Okay, let's proceed. Identifying the benefits and challenge of professionalization of teaching. One of the challenge for the professionalization teachers is the materials, books, armchairs, internet technology, even the room. Because as the future teacher, I can provide for those learner but not totally. And I'm pretty sure learners can learn a lot of those things not given by the permanent of education or even supporting by the LGU. And the best challenge of professional teachers should be the feelings of the student without using proper materials. While they are learning, we can give quality education, but who the student with starting and the financial problem.
Propose how school can supporting aspiring teachers in process. School can support aspiring teachers by providing mentorship programs, professional learning communities, and regular feedback aligned with the PPST. They can recognize training workshop and peer observation to build confidence and skills. Access to resources, collaborative planning in time, and encouraging of reflective practice also strengthening growth by fostering a supportive culture. Schools empower aspiring teachers to meet standard, develop competencies, and continuously improve in guiding